Good morning, guys. So, we are talking about nozzle. Do you have ever heard what is nozzle? Yeah, of course, you have heard. So, what is nozzle? Nozzle is a device. Nozzle is a device which is used to increase the velocity of a fluid. Okay? Fluid, it could be anything, liquid or gas. So main aim of nozzle is to increase the velocity of fluid. It is always used where our aim is uh, our aim is to gain high velocity, high kinetic energy. So at that place we use the nozzle. Okay. Then question is that how many types of nozzle? Okay. So there is two types of nozzle. First one is hydraulic nozzle and another one is steam nozzle. Okay. So what is hydraulic nozzle? Hydraulic nozzle, in this nozzle we used liquid. Okay. In hydraulic nozzle we use liquid as a fluid. This is called as hydraulic nozzle. It could be water or coolant or any other liquid substance. So okay, this is hydraulic nozzle. And another is steam nozzle, where we use the steam as a working fluid. This is known as the steam nozzle. ठीक. But now we have to understand the main difference between hydraulic nozzle and steam nozzle. What is the main difference between this? You have to understand. So as you know, liquid or water is what? Incompressible in nature. We can't compress this liquid, we can't compress this fluid. Okay. So you already know the equation of continuity. What says this equation? This equation says the mass flow rate is always constant throughout the space. It means for example, we consider any pipe or any pipe. It means कि the entering mass of liquid is always equal to the outgoing mass of liquid. So and I have already told you that liquid is what? Incompressible in nature. It means what? The density of this liquid is don't vary throughout the space. What I understand? There is no variation in the density. Density is constant. Are you getting my point? Density is constant. Density is not getting changed. So this is called incompressible. Okay. So mass flow rate, mass बराबर क्या होता है? Rho, you know already, mass बराबर rho into AV. Mass flow rate हम जब निकालते हैं, when we calculate the mass flow rate, rho where is density, A is the cross section area of the passing pipe or anything section, and V is the velocity. So mass flow rate equal to rho into A into V. So I have already told that mass flow rate is constant, m1 बराबर m2. So rho is already constant, so we can see rho a1 v1 बराबर rho a2 v2. Or you have seen rho is constant, it means a1 v1 बराबर a2 v2. So what signifies that equation? It means a into v is constant. The cross section of the cross sectional area of the pipe and velocity, the product of cross sectional area and velocity is always constant. So what signifies that relation? It means if we increase the cross section area, there is a decrease in the velocity of the fluid. So in nozzle, what is our aim? Our aim is to increase the velocity. So what we have to do? We have to reduce the cross section area of that pipe. We have to reduce the cross section area of that pipe so we can get the high velocity of that fluid. Are you getting my point? So that passage we design such that passage मतलब उसका जो आउटकमिंग जो पोर्शन होगा उसका हम क्रॉस सेक्शन छोटा बनाएंगे so that we can the maximum velocity. So conclusion is that hydraulic nozzle always in convergent shape are designed. The design of hydraulic nozzle in always convergent shape, so we can achieve the highest velocity. Okay, the incoming portion, the cross section of incoming portion is much greater than the cross section of the outgoing section. ठीक है, okay. And now what is hydraulic nozzle? Since sorry now what is steam nozzle? Since I have already told you, steam is compressible because it is a form of gaseous state, or gaseous, and gas is a compressible in nature. We can compress to the gas, so steam is compressible. It means what? It means the density of steam is variable throughout the space. The steam, the density, it could be vary, it could be change. So for the now as like for a high velocity, we can't design such convergent nozzle for the steam nozzle. So basic main difference is that it is not necessary that there is a convergent section for the steam nozzle. Okay, it could be converging section, diverging section, or बिल्कुल parallel. So how we decide this design? So in case of steam nozzle, the design of nozzle is completely depend upon the velocity of steam. Okay, completely depend on the velocity of steam. So what kind of nature of velocity of that steam? So we design of that. So one new term comes in the picture, that is Mach number. So this Mach number is decide the shape of nozzle, steam nozzle. So what is Mach number? Mach number is nothing but it is the ratio of the fluid to the velocity of sound on that particular fluid. ठीक है. Now if Mach number is less than 1, it is called subsonic flow. If Mach number is equal to 1, this is called sonic flow. If Mach number is greater than 1, this is called supersonic flow. And if Mach number is greater than 5, then it is called hypersonic flow. Now we calculate some mathematical expression. We calculate by the differential calculus method. Then we find the result of that section. Okay, so I tell you the result. If Mach number is less than 1 of that steam, then we design the steam nozzle such that convergent section. So okay, if Mach number is less than 1, you design the convergent nozzle. If Mach number is equal 1, so this is no any convergent or divergent. This is only means A1 A2 is equal to A1 A2 must be same. It could be throat. And if Mach number is greater than 1, then we design divergent section. Are you getting my point? Divergent section means means opening, the section of opening is much greater than previous section. Okay, so उसमें क्या होता है कि हम जो हमारा ओपनिंग पॉइंट होगा उसका सेक्शन ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा हाई वेलोसिटी के लिए. So that's all about nozzle.